So guys, a new show just got released today. Showmax ekuthiwa i-1 Weeks is a South African comedy show. Ngicela ukuthi sikhulume ngayo namhlanje. Let's get on top of it. Welcome to my channel. Bafethu igama lami ngo-Azadi. Thank you so much for coming through. Please don't forget to subscribe and press that like button and that bell button so you can get notifications whenever I drop ama new reviews. Okay, so the name of the show ephumile namuhla kugama lakuthiwa i-1 Weeks. It's a South African comedy show. If ukuthi uyawathanda ama shows afana njengabo Black Tax lawa adlala ko BET, then you are definitely gonna love this show. Each episode it's like 40 minutes. The show is basically has familiar faces that we have seen before. Sino Sihle Ndaba laphayana wa actor kuZalo and some other shows like The Herd, actor khona no Selo Makeka Ncubo. There's the lady guys. We are actor laphayana, actor ngisho no Skhaleni, kukhona ngisho no ubalo mfana lo waye TV kudala uba uSphiwe Hlatshwayo, if I'm not mistaken, his name is that guy. He's also on the show. You can also see him there. There's a lot of faces. There's a young, cute girl, but there's not like Fiona Pana. This is just me seeing the girl for the first time. She can actually act. So this is how the story goes, Buffet. This is actually nice. So Uskhaleni Lwenmazia from Isibaya, actor as ubaba wengane or boyfriend kaSihle Ndaba, uhlezi enza amaflop ebemxosha masilokhu ezobuya ezocela ama 1 week futhi again ufuna ukuhlala and whatnot. Hence the name of the show is 1 week. So anyways, this one time, because on the first episode it's more like they are showing us ukuthi this is just a love Latin into yabo bahlezi bebuyelana bayahlukana. It's quite a lot going on. But anyways, guy Uskhaleni flop of again and he gets kicked out and they let him in, they place him back in again. And Acalama Love B actually was not a keeper. They go out for dinner. Meanwhile, Acalama got back to actually babysit umntwana lo okantombazana. But obviously, again umntwana Uskhaleni biologically umntwana lo unaye ubaba wakhe. I don't know if you remember that guy who used to act with Stingo. You know the guy. He used to act as a soccer star with Dingankhohlwa. The day he came through on the scene, you would actually believe that he was a superstar. I was like, because I'm not a fan of soccer, so I was like, Haibo, but anyways, guys, it's a beautiful show. It's a family show. Please don't feel like you have to get your kids to go to sleep. I mean, come on, it's a family show. It's nice. I mean, there's quite a few faces. Namanye Amasha. So I love it when there's new talent on the show. It means like we are seeing new faces. Most probably, we're gonna see them on many other places as well. Okay, so please make sure you watch it. I think it comes through every Monday. Yeah, I think it comes through every Monday. It's gonna be one episode. It's like 40 minutes. I mean, really, did they have to make it 40 minutes? They should have just made it maybe 20 minutes or something. Okay, please watch this show. It's a beautiful show, Bafethu. It's on Showmax. That's it, Bafethu. Thank you so much for coming through. My name is Azad. Please don't forget to press. Where is it? Oh, it's ngala. Press the subscribe button, Bafethu, and khona nizokwazi ukuthola notifications whenever I drop my reviews. You know what? I think I should start doing my reviews of my shows up here because there's quite a lot. I've watched them as well. You know, there's quite a lot. While we are still talking of shows, guys, did you actually watch the episode of namhlanje show? Ngiyani tshela. Hayi, asafanele sikhulume ngayo masephelele season ukuthi bikade njani. Peace.